Hello, my friends. My name is Lucas, and I will tell you about my travel experience. The travel experience that I want to tell was and I traveled to the Tatacoa Desert. Where I could canoe a magical place with beautiful landscapes. On this trip I know the observatory where we call it the space. I also went to the hotel Stellar Oasis, in the which I could enjoy a delicious pool in the middle of the desert. Is a beautiful place. Some recommendations that I want to give is look very comfortable. Cold since the heat is too strong. Have lots of water to drink. 3. To travel by private car, since it takes a long time to get to the best place by bus. Very good. Goodbye. Thank you.